Hello and welcome back to PageFly channel. I'm Kate. You want to make your pages more interactive like this. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to implement click actions in PageFly, transforming your static pages into dynamic experiences. With PageFly, you can add a various click action for elements such as direct to another link, direct to the internal section of the page, open pop-up content, link to a phone number, link to an email address. Please note that not every element has this click action option. For example, the paragraph element does not have that option. First, I will guide you how to go to URL. We are on the page editor. Let's select the element you want to insert a direct link to. I will choose this button. Then, switch to General tab, select Click Action, choose Go to URL on drop-down menu. Now you can insert your URL by pasting the URL you want in the box. If you want it linked to any collections, products or blog posts in your store, you can tap on the corresponding button. Turn on Open in New tab so it directs the action to a different tab. Let's save the page to check how it works. Here is the result. Move to the Click Action Open Pop-up. This option allows us to open a pop-up when clicking on an element. As you can see, there are 5 pop-up options. I will go through all of them. If you choose YouTube video, you need to paste its URL here and set it up like a normal YouTube. HTML and Vimeo videos are similar to YouTube video. If you choose Store Content, a pop-up will be a page in your store. Finally, if you choose the image option, the selected image will appear right at the center of the page. Note that you can add mini animation to the pop-up. Now let's see how it looks on live view. Next, you will learn about the scroll to section. I will link this heading to this section. To distinguish all section easily, you can name for the section. Hover on the section you want, click on 3 dots icon here and set the name for it. Back to the heading. Select Scroll to Section in Click Action drop-down menu and select this section. This option helps you adjust space between the top screen edge of the browser and the destination section. Hit the Save button and check the result, and here it is. Next, I will guide you how to send email. When your customers click on an element, they can send a message to your email, so you need to add your email address here. You can also add a pre-made subject or the message, or leave these fields blank. Here is the result. The email will show like this. The last one is call number. Similar to other options, you just need to click on the element you want, then add click action for it. All you need to do is to put the phone number in the box, for example. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.